Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be going over 3 versions of the capital O in the Copperplate style. The first one is a more traditional version and the second 2 are more modern variations, so let's get into it. So the first version of the capital O is a more traditional version here. So we'll start with the shaded portion of the capital O and coming to a hairline at the baseline, then coming back up, and we're going to spiral in with a less thick shade here than the first. Then we're going to complete it by drawing a hairline up and over the top, shading a little bit there on the outer portion. And that is the first version. The second O that we'll do today is one that I find myself doing most often. It starts with a horizontal oval flourish to the side, and then you will draw a hairline back up and over into the main shaded portion of the O, then a hairline back up, and once again we're going to do this secondary lighter shade inside the O, then drop down from the baseline with a hairline flourish, come back up to the headerline, and then exit out. So I use that last stroke as a connector to the next letter. So for example, we might write the word O, so I'll demonstrate that here. And the third one we'll do starts with a hairline flourish below the baseline and comes up and over the first cinder line into the main shade of the oval, and then once again we're going to do that secondary shade inside the O, and those are 3 versions of the capital O. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe below, and if you're not already following me on Instagram, I would love to see you over there. I am at SarahScript, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!